Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Yeah, I'm still recovering, so we're doing small projects. I'm waiting for a few things to dry, but I'm happy to report that I smelled coffee today. This close to being able to taste things again. Anyway, so I have not had the best of luck with transfers. So, you know, these, I love all the projects I see other people do with them and how they turn out. And then I do it myself and I go, this just looks cheap. I don't like it. What am I doing wrong? So I love these. These are all little bird patterns. This is it Prima Marketing? Yeah, redesigned by Prima Marketing. Not sponsored. I paid for these. But they've got these cute little bird patterns all over it and the little eggs. And I just thought they were cute for spring. And, you know, I'm tired of the snow and I'm ready to feel spring. We're going to try a small project. I had this from the Dollar Tree. From their Crafters Square. Just a big tag. And I kept thinking, I don't know why I bought this. It's been in my collection for a while now. And I haven't had anything that I can do with it. So I'm like, okay, what are we going to do with it? And then I saw the birdhouse. And I thought, they're kind of the right size. It's actually perfect, the perfect size. So I'm going to just do a little springy tag and hang it up in the store and see if somebody buys it. Ironically, I found this. So this is from my last kit that I got of transfers. And yeah, this one didn't come with one. There's no transfer stick in there, so I was glad that I found this. And we're going to put the transfer on the tag. So I'm going to get you guys switched around so you can see the surface that I'm working on. And hopefully, I'm hoping it looks cute. Dear gods of DIY, please let it look cute. Please let it look cute. Because I keep doing the transfers and then I go, ugh, I just hate it. But I see other people do it and I go, well, theirs is cute. Why isn't mine cute? Right? So, dear gods of DIY, be with us for our little Dollar Tree tag. I just want a little birdhouse. All right, let's try it. Okay, guys, like, seriously, I keep buying these things because I feel like it should be cute, right? Like everyone else does these and they turn out super cute and then I do it and it just looks like garbage. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if I'm not like, I don't know. Like, does their stuff just in person look like garbage too? But, well, there's the two. There's this one too. And see, these are the exact, I mean, it's a really good size. So it's either this one or this one. And to be honest, I think I kind of like this one better. So I'm going to cut that one out. That's the one. That's the one, I think. Like, does everybody else's just look like trash in person and on their videos it looks cute, but not really? Is that what I'm not understanding? Because I get all upset when I finish these and they don't look cute at all. Like, I want this to be cute. I really want this to work. Okay. right? Like, this should be cute. Is that going to be too brown? Is that going to be too brown on brown? Like, I like this one, but I'm worried. Let's go with the blue because it was my initial instinct. And then there's enough color there to see. I have to find something else for the little brown one. I just feel like that's going to blend in too much. Whereas this one will stand out. Plus it's, you know, pretty little spring color with some flowers on it. All right, so we peel the back, yeah. It's just got this white backing on it. It's a clear acetate that they put it on, which helps you place it, actually. Right? Do I want it lower? Maybe a little lower. Okay. And then you use this doohickey bobber. That's a technical term. To scratch this onto the surface. Transfer it onto the surface. So now I'm going to go this way. I just want to make sure that it's well and good on there. I am by no means a professional transferist. All right. So the acetate's still on there, but that's what it's going to look like theoretically. Okay, God's DIY, please be with us as we peel. It's on there. Okay, well, it's on there. And it just looks like it's just stuck on there. What am I doing wrong? Why does it not look cute? You know what? I'm going to use a little sandpaper on it. Hang on. Oh, that's an 80 grit. Whew, that'll take it right off. Nope. Okay. Fine grit. I got a fine grit paper here. What is this, a 120 or 220? I don't know. And it's almost completely worn off, so it'll be a gentle sand. Hang on. So it's almost completely worn away on the sandpaper, but I'm just going to give it a light sand. Don't pull it off. Don't pull it off. I just want to distress it a little bit and make it look like it's on the wood or in the wood instead of sitting on top of the wood. Let's start to peel. Yeah, I peeled a good chunk of it away. Okay, don't get too aggressive now. Now I wish there was something that said spring or something. Isn't that too bad? Like, I don't even know if you can see it on the camera, but where the edge was, like, you can, usually on these transfers, you can see like just a little glossy edge. I just sort of sanded it into like really lightly so it didn't pull it off, but it looks like now that it's kind of blended into the wood. Can you see it? Since I don't hate this, thinking maybe a glaze on it would be cute though. I'm gonna think about that. But I also have this from the Dollar Tree. It's got a bunch of birds and stuff, right? So we can make a little scene. Maybe it'd be cute. Maybe I could use my birdhouse. Other birdhouse. That's too small. Ah, now it's a thing of sizing. What else? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Bird's nest. I love this. Like this just on something. But what? Huh, I don't know. If it comes to me, we'll do it. But look at all the birds. Like, right? I hate this. Be the light. Maybe I could do... I know these are for furniture and I'm supposed to be like, oh, these are furniture. I don't like it. See, I'm like trying to figure out what it should say. Well, the hell with it. Let's do be the light. I don't like it. That doesn't mean somebody else won't. I mean, in this life, it's not about me. It's not about me. There's a lid for every pot, and it may not be mine, but it's a lid for this pot, let me tell you. So we're going to do this. I don't know, put it in the store. Whoops. I don't like it. Doesn't mean it won't sell. So let's use it up. It did come with one. Where did I get this one? Well, that's a really fun math trick. Okay. Let's move the camera down so you can see what I'm working on. Okay, believe it or not, so I just filmed, quote unquote, putting this whole piece on. And the camera crashed and died, so you guys didn't see any of it. Lovely. Because the gods of DIY hate me. I don't love this. So what happened was this one definitely feels like it's sitting on top of the wood. Doesn't feel like it's ingrained in it at all. I did go ahead and sand the edges. I don't feel that way about this one. I feel like this one went on there better than this one did. I don't know why. I don't know why, because they're both textured surfaces, but I like this one better. I'm going to go ahead and put decoupage glue over the whole thing because I feel like this is not going to stay put. Like, I feel like the edges aren't really staying down. Like, I sanded it, but I feel like it's not good. But you can see, like, where I sanded it too, it was a little textured in here. But I might want to put a glaze over both of them. So putting the decoupage glue on is going to be what I need to do to protect it anyway. All right. So I've covered the whole thing in Mod Podge, which is basically a clear coat. It'll do the trick. It'll protect it. And then let's do this one. That way when I do, if I decide to, put a glaze over the top, which on this one I know I definitely want to. I probably will on that one too, because I'm not happy with it. So it won't hurt anything, and I already don't like it. All right, so we're gonna just let the decoupage glue dry, and then we'll come back and possibly glaze it. Our Dollar Tree pieces are dry, and I am going to take a little glaze here. I'm going to cover them with some glaze. This will glaze the wood, it'll glaze the pictures. It's going to darken the whole thing, really. Darken that rope, too. Let that sit on there for a minute. And then remember when I hated glazing? I was like, I'm never glazing anything. Well, here we are. Never say never. I'm gonna dab it off. Yes. That looks super cute now. Oh, I'm happy with that one. That looks like it belongs there now. Let's hope this one does too. I don't know. I think the fact that I hate this image is coloring my perception of it. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I am in love with this one though. I do love this one. I'm happy with the little one. I'm not so happy with the big one. But that is what it is, right? So what do you think? Do we hate them? Do we love them? I'm still going to put them both in the shop and see how they do. See if one sells and the other one doesn't. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't even know what to charge for that. Was this one Dollar Tree or is this Dollar? I think this was from Dollar General, actually. So I think this one was Dollar General and this was Dollar Tree. This is definitely, because it's Crafter Square Dollar Tree, but this was Craft something else. Project Craft. So I think this was Dollar General. I don't know. I would do about 12 more of these though. I think maybe I might get a couple more of the tags and do some of the birds on there would be kind of cute to go with it. And they're just kind of cute little wall hanging for a little spot. I don't know. Doorknob, wall hanging, porch hanging. Oh, it's cute. I think this one turned out obviously my favorite. But thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junket shirts, don't forget to click the links below. If you'd like to join our Vintage Reseller Mastermind group, the links for that are below as well. If you'd like to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, just maybe not something I have to glaze. You can send it to the P.O. Box. You can send me anything else you'd like to send me there as well. Just no creepy mail. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee because your girl's on half tank, sometimes a little lower. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.